We are on the way to pick up a brand new Model Y. I surprised my parents with this Model Y about 5 years ago.
Tesla referral link in description if you plan to buy one.
Today we're going to Aliso Viejo in California to transfer the full self-driving from this model to the new Gen 2, whatever it's called, 2026 Model Y, and see what the entire pickup experience is like. So come hang out with us as we pick this up. This time it's not a surprise. Let's head into the Aliso Viejo pickup area. And this one is running FSD navigation. Let's go to software. This is a 59,000 miles FSD computer 3. Software V12.64, so it's not ideal, but it hasn't updated. Oh, gotta keep the eyes on the road. And the new one will have FSD 14, I think it is, or 13, which is much, much better. And it's gonna have new lights, new looks, and all that stuff. Oh. See, he says, oh, scary truck, let's move out of the way. But now we're gonna use this last FSD 12 for maybe the last time ever. And then hopefully it'll automatically transfer when we pick up the other car. I don't know where the full self-driving is taking us, but there's a cone right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, it went around the cone. Uh-oh. It's now going here. Oh, it's a Tesla center. Oh my god, it's huge. This is the part of the new self-driving that doesn't announce stops. Oh my god. Congratulations, happy 40th anniversary. Wow. This is the Tesla center right over there. And it looks like the cars are lined up. And this is it. Look, has the name on the car. White. Oh, there's a little box in there. It doesn't have a steering wheel.
No, it does have.
Black tires. White interior, charging adapter. Oh, how exciting. Okay, what do we do now?
What do we do?
Go home.
Go home?
Don't we have to talk to somebody?
Now we have to do the app. Okay.
You need to go inside and
You do?
everything is complete and then come up.
Is that how it works?
That's what they say.
Okay.
All tasks should be completed in the Tesla app prior to arrival. Upon arrival, check in with the Tesla team at your assigned delivery center. If you are trading in a vehicle, please ensure you've removed any personal belongings from your trade-in vehicle prior to entering the delivery center. If applicable, a Tesla advisor will assist you in completing physical documents. Once you have completed physical documents, navigate to your Tesla app to complete e-sign documents and accept delivery of your
Look at that. That's the pickup experience, and they have all the cars lined up here at the Tesla Center. It says on there like it's transferring the FSD from another car.
Phone with your new car, whoever wants to access to the car, and then we do have to take it on a quick drive, just make sure the cameras are calibrated and the FSD is working properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, he's Pakistani.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it opened.
There you go. But where we're going right now, there's gonna be a Persian bakery. Have you heard of Saffron Bakery?
Oh,
I always go there. It's like exactly a mile away.
Okay. Trunk. Check. You should drive it. I want to see if you think it's different.
Well, we're not gonna.
Then you should definitely. No, you have to. Come on.
Sure.
Please.
You don't have to do anything. You just sit there.
Yeah, you have to do it.
It's
It's in
Come
the
on.
car.
new technology.
No.
You have to. Come on.
You
It's
have to
safe.
have
So
control.
this is safer. This is safer than humans.
Yeah. See?
It's literally a data.
Oh. I guess what he says, we're gonna go. It's gonna drive itself, and yeah, you have to do a 1 mile test to make sure everything works.
Oh my god. Why me?
Oh.
Oh my god. What do I do if it's doing the wrong thing?
It's not.
What
Yeah.
if I just tell me what
You don't have to do anything.
No, but it's
You're
gonna
just-
do something wrong.
No, because
Oh my God,
you're gonna
oh my
be
God,
stressed
oh my
out.
God. No way.
You get in the car, you put the address in, and then have the car drive you there.
Oh no.
How do you, if people are scared of using it, how do you get them used to it?
Don't talk to him.
Just basically go into this
Let him
experience.
just concentrate on me.
You're not doing anything, you just sit there.
Yeah.
Now we have to back up. God.
See? That's
Look
it.
at that.
Like, I'm
Fine.
never getting in this car.
Okay. How do you feel?
Very nervous, very shaken.
Why?
I'm sweating like I've never sweat. I don't usually sweat, but this is, I sweat. I sweat. This was hard.
So now if you want to go home, tap home.
Home at the bottom.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you just tap start self-driving. And it just takes you home.
Oh, wait. People are coming.
Oh,
Oh, you didn't see that place.
it did. It shows them right here.
Yeah, but it should have stopped.
No, but the lady
If it doesn't,
didn't
if
pass
they
them.
don't think they're close, it won't stop.
Yeah,
Oh, and this has Grok.
it's Grok.
Grok. You can ask him questions. Hey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks. It's a nice afternoon here in Irvine. How about you? What's on your mind today?
How much better is the Tesla FSD 14 versus Tesla version 12?
FSD version 14 is a big step up from version 12. Smoother driving, fewer interventions, like 3 times less in tests, and way better at obstacles in city streets, averaging over 800 miles between critical issues versus around 200 before. Users say it feels more human-like and confident overall.
I'm here with my parents. What should we tell them about self-driving to make them more comfortable with wanting to use it?
Tell them FSD is supervised, so you're always in control, with 8 cameras seeing everything like extra eyes. And Tesla stats show it's 8 times safer than average human drivers. 1 major crash every 5 million miles versus every 660,000 for the US average. Start with a short demo ride on familiar roads to let them feel how smooth and confident it drives.
What are some cool things that I can do with you, Grok? In the car, at
I can
least.
search the web. In the car, I can check your location, range, or time. Search for places like coffee shops near Irvine and show them on the map. Set navigation to home, work, or spots you name. Or look up car manual stuff and vehicle features. Just tell me what you need, like find a park nearby, or how's my battery?
It's looking for parking. And it's always gonna back up, I think. So I picked the parking spot, and now it's gonna back up into the parking spot for you.
You even don't need to specify the parking
No,
spot.
nope. Isn't that crazy?
شیرینی فروشیه که رفتیم پارکینگ نبود. گشت تا یکی پیدا کرد.
Boom, and then you're there. That's it. And then they did a 1 mile down and back with FSD. I guess not all the places do it, but that's the delivery pickup, and then you just take it home at this point. Super simple, seamless, easy, effortless. This is the future of buying cars.
Tesla referral link in description if you plan to buy one.
Look at that. Stunning. Subscribe to notifications. Referral link for a Tesla is down below.